Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup out of anything. First, begin by selecting a liquid base. A good quality broth or even water works well. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables. Dice 1 medium onion, 2 stalks of celery, and 2 carrots. Sauté these in a large pot with 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are softened and fragrant. This crucial step builds the foundational flavors for your delicious soup. Now it is time to add your main ingredients. This could be anything from leftover roasted chicken to a medley of fresh vegetables like potatoes, green beans, or corn. Ensure all ingredients are cut into roughly 1-inch pieces so they cook evenly. Pour in about 6 to 8 cups of your chosen liquid base. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, covering the pot. Let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Flavor is key to a great soup. Season generously with at least 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Add your favorite herbs, perhaps 1 bay leaf or a 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. Taste the soup after about 50 minutes of simmering and adjust the seasonings as needed. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a splash of lemon juice or a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar right before serving to brighten the overall taste. Finally, it is time to finish and serve your homemade soup. Before serving, remove any bay leaves or large herb stems. Ladle the hot soup into bowls. For a delightful touch, garnish with fresh parsley, a swirl of heavy cream, or a sprinkle of crunchy croutons. Let the soup rest for about 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld perfectly. Your versatile, delicious soup made from whatever you had on hand is now ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.